How to change your IP addresses, why you did want to and when you should not. Looking for more privacy or easier access to the network devices, here are the steps for every operating system and how to avoid address conflict. Security and privacy have been hot topics for a long time, and that's not going to change anytime soon. One means of achieving privacy on the internet is to either change or obfuscate your IP address so availability and third parties are not able to track you or keep a history of your browsing traffic. Changing your IP address might sound like a task that requires computer science degree, but it's not. It's easier than you think. I want to show you how you can accomplish this without a struggle. Before we get started, some explanations is in order. An IP address is a series of numbers in the form assigned to a device connected to a network that serves to identify a host devices, allows the devices to send and receive data and determine the approximate of device. Think of an IP addresses like the addresses if you are home. With that number and a street name, other people can find where you live. Without either piece of that puzzle in would be incredibly challenging to locate your home for those who have never been there. There are two types of IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is the most widely used because of its simplicity. IPv6 addresses are longer and more complicated and look like this. IP address can be dynamic assigned to a device by a router or static manually assigned by a user of administrator. Static IP addresses remain constant, whereas dynamic addresses automatically change at certain interval. Without IP addresses, the internet would fail to function. Different IP address. One of the first things to understand is the difference between an internal and external IP address. On your home network, you have one external IP address which is assigned to the modem router you service providers gave you. This IP address is what you see if you open a browser and go to what is my IP address. This address is the one seen by the outside world, and it's one you cannot change permanently. However, you can make it appear to be different from what it is. Why would you want to do that? Changing the IP addresses as seen by the outside world makes it harder for others to track you, especially if you change it randomly. Perhaps you need to transmit sensitive data and you want the IP addresses to appear as though it's in a different location, even a different country. On the other hand, you have several internal IP addresses, the addresses assigned by your router to the various devices on your network, desktop, laptop, phones, tablets, TVs, etc. You can change those addresses manually if you have the skill and the ability.